Hope you're all doing good. Last week we started a series about switch words, and today we are going to continue with the same one but three different switch words. And we are still talking about master switch word today as well. And just a recap. So if you want to use these switch words, you can use it in three ways. One, you can chant it as many times as you want. There is no limitation. Second one, you can write it. You can write 28 times each day for 42 days, the same switch word, every single day for 42 days. And the third method is you can write these switch words on your left side of the body, wherever you want to, and using the same divine energy color or blue color pen. So these are just a recap. So today we are going to talk about bring. Bring is also a master switch word, and as the word suggests, bring, it brings you things. So this master switch word has green color energy. So you can use green color pen, or if you don't have green color, then you can also use blue color. Okay. And then this one, it helps you to unite and connect to the goals. So whatever your goals are, so it bring, if you keep chanting, bring, 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 it will get you closer to the goals. So, and then it also attracts the desires miraculously. And then with the perfect timings. So you will be like amazed to see when you keep chanting bring, how this brings you very closer to your goals, and it's in a perfect timing. You wouldn't even imagine that it would come so closer in time. So this bring is very, very, very effective, and it can also be used along with other master switch words or the basic switch words. And then this manifestation switch word brings helps to shorten the time period of any of your goals. So say for example, you have a goal to earn 100,000 money, and then it will help you to get very closer and to manifest it in a very, very short period of time. So this bring has so much effect. And then this will also help you to build, to produce, to create, and to attract and pull towards your goal miraculously. So this happens in like a magic. You keep chanting these words and you will see how closer you are getting towards your goal. You will not even notice that it has already happened. So that is the effect of this bring word. And it will make sure that the universe will give you and it will deliver all the goodness in the perfect time. So if you keep saying bring, yeah, the universe will have to bring those things, whatever you are manifesting to you, closer and closer and in a very effective way. So this is very, very, very important and a very attractive bring switch word, and it will make you like a magnet of goodness. So you will become like a magnet for all the good things. You will be attracting it so easily and so effectively. You should do this and say, and I have done this in my life many, many times, and then within no time, all my manifesting whatever goals it was, I have achieved that goal very effectively and very efficiently in no time. So you should also try this one. I will share my manifesting journey with you all sometime. So the next one is called charm, and charm is pink color energy. So you can either write it in a pink color pencil or pen or crayons, whatever you have, or you can write it in blue color. So charm is, it helps you to manifest something which is desire, the desire which is hidden inside you. So sometimes what happens with our work pressure, we are so involved with our daily activities and work that we forget what is our desire, which is deep inside our heart. We will not even remember that. So when you keep chanting charm, 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 then there is something, or you can write it also on your left side of the body or in a book 28 times for 42 days, or you can chant this. So this charm will bring up all the inner desire, whichever you have in your heart, and it will manifest that desire very easily. So these words, sometimes you know what happens, like then you are like, oh, okay, I didn't even know that this desire was there, because it's hidden inside. So you don't even remember that desire. But chanting charm, 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 it will help you to bring that inner desire of you to the real world in front of you. And then it will also help you to fulfill all your inner wishes. And this also helps you to make more attractive, have a secured life. It's also useful for your hair, nails, to become more attractive also. So by saying charm, 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 you attract everyone into your life. So this is one good way if you are single, and if you want to mingle, then keep saying charm, and who knows, you will be attracting all the good people into your life, and they can be your partners one day. And the next one is love. And this also, as charm, it has pink color energy. So you can use pink color pen, pencil, crayons, whatever you have. And then this also helps you to manifest your heart's desire, like how our charm does. So love also helps you to finish any of your work very effortlessly, politely, and graciously. So anything, whatever work you are going to do, or whatever goal it is there, so but by just saying love, 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 it will help you to finish that work very easily, effortlessly. So if you are struggling with something, use love and see how effortless your work will be done. And then love also eases the pressure. So you know, sometimes you have that pressure, like, oh, I have to do so many things. You know, maybe for example, you have 5 things to do, and you're like, oh, I don't have so much time, I'm so much in pressure, I have 5 things to do, I don't know where to begin, how to start it, where will I end, how will I end. So at that time, just chant love, 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 love for as many times as possible, and you will see that your work will be done effortlessly. All the 5 goals, whatever you have, it will be manifested very easily, and that work will be done so easily and so calmly. You will not even notice that. So use love to melt down all the hurdles and the obstacles. So if you have any obstacles doing things, say for example, you are going to lose weight, and then you are always thinking like, oh, I cannot lose weight, and then I don't know what to do. So just use love, 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 and see, and those hurdles, whatever is there, like that will always be taken away, and then you will lose your weight, whatever you want. This is just an example, but you can use love for anything you want to. So whatever your heart desire, whatever you want to achieve, use this love. And I have used all these master switch words in my life as well, in different stages, and it has worked miraculously. So I am the example for all these magic switch words, how it helps. So I hope you will all follow this, and it will become a magic in your life as well, and you will achieve whatever goals you have and manifest whatever positive thinking you are thinking about, and all your dreams will come true. So thank you so much for watching. Next week I'm going to continue with the other master switch words.